I'm going to be showing y'all how easy it is to use Trint.com to translate your transcriptions and create captions. So let's dive into it. While nothing can really beat the in-person human translator, Trint.com offers an accurate and speedy translation service, and it has a really easy to use interface that takes all the headache out the work. I got an interview here with Pedro Pascal for The Great Wall that is in Spanish, and I want to know what he's saying. So I'm on Trint.com now. I'm in the main My Trints and Stories page, and we are going to upload audio file from the interview. You can also do video. Once that's uploaded, you get presented with these transcription options. Obviously, this was in Spanish, so we're going to switch this down to Spanish. As you can see, there are 54 different language options. It's transcribing it. It says under 5 minutes on the screen. So, while you're waiting, you can watch a YouTube video, perhaps learn another language. Okay, so once it's transcribed in its language that you selected, once you're in, all you gotta do is go up here, hit translate, and now I want this in English. It's only a matter of seconds before it translates this into English and opens it up in a new tab. If I want to translate it again, I just go back to the initial Spanish transcription, hit translate, and we'll go to French. And again, depending on the actual audio quality of the file or the vocal quality of the people speaking, is going to need some editing. Obviously, to get it 100% right, you probably want to run it by an actual speaker of that language. If you have an actual video file and you want to go and modify them into actual captions, you can click Create Captions, and that's going to bring up this caption editing window so that you can add another level of accuracy to your captions. As well, there's plenty of export options, whether you need a subtitle file, video file, an audio file, or a media player file. As you can see with this, I was able to take this interview and translate it into multiple languages pretty quickly. The translation services offered by Trint are good if you're a journalist just trying to translate articles for your research, whether you're an actual editor on a deadline that needs to get multiple language captions out quickly, or if you were just on a Zoom meeting with people speaking multiple languages and you need to use Trint.com's Zap feature to quickly translate a Zoom meeting that you were just a part of. Trint.com, great for transcription, translation, and all your captioning needs.